The accident took place in the wee hours of the morning shortly after 2 a.m. At about 191 kilometers from Kolkata. Now we do also know at this point that rescue and relief work is on. Those rescue teams are 3 coaches possibly that were affected by this accident, of which 2 were unreserved general compartments and 1 was a luggage coach. Now we don't know how many people were inside that those 2 coaches. So at this point, no estimate really on how many could still be trapped inside. But the good news is that there are many people who have been injured, some suffering just minor injuries, and those people now being rushed to the nearby hospitals in the Scinthia region. The Scinthia station over there is an important station in North Bengal. We do know that most of the people over there have been helping in that rescue work. Those locals really coming together and aiding that rescue work shortly after that accident took place. Well, we did manage to speak to one of the passengers who was on that train. Let's hear what he had to say. It's an eyewitness account of that accident as it took place, talking about how at this point he doesn't know how many people died, but saying that there are many others like him who are injured. Well, we also spoke to the Chief Ticket Inspector of Bhagalpur, Mr. Madan Lal, for more on this.
ये हमारी गाड़ी 2 बजे करीब सैतिया जंक्शन पर खड़ी थी और जैसे ही 2:10 में 8 में हमारी गाड़ी खुली वहां से, तो उसके जैसे ही खुली तो प्लेटफॉर्म पर ही हमारी गाड़ी थी कि पीछे से बंगा एक्सप्रेस एक गाड़ी है, वो इतनी जोर से धक्का मारी कि हमारे 2 बोगी, पीछे का एक जनरल बोगी और एक गार्ड की बोगी जो होती है SLR, दोनों पूरी तरह ध्वस्त हो चुका हो गया। और वो उसके जो कुछ टुकड़े पूरी बोगी के वो एक ओवर ब्रिज है, उसके ऊपर वो बोगी के जो ऊपर का पूरा जो ट्रेन का जो ढांचा होता है वो ओवर ब्रिज के ऊपर जाकर के अटक गया। और देखे हम जा करके तो बुरी तरह लोग चिल्ला उल्ला रहे थे। उस समय कोई 2:15 2:12 पर हम जब वहां पहुंचे तो देखे कि इंजन का ड्राइवर मरा पड़ा हुआ है, ऐसे बैठे हुए हैं और दोनों ड्राइवर और हमारे गार्ड भी नहीं दिखाई पड़ रहे थे सब तो। और जो पीछे की बोगी के लोग थे, जनरल बोगी, उस प्राय सब लोग मारे जा चुके थे और जो SLR गार्ड की जो बोगी थी उसके भी लोग मारे जा चुके थे। और जनरल बोगी उसके आगे जो थी उसमें जो घायल व्यक्ति थे तो वो लोग चिल्ला रहे थे। तो फिर हम तो उस समय पूरी अंधेला था, तो फिर लोगों को कुछ लोग वहां से लोकल आए, हमने कहा कि स्टेशन मास्टर कार्यालय के पास कुछ या फर्स्ट एड होगा तो वहां बनवा लीजिए जाकर के।
Well, we're going to continue to track this story, get you the very latest on the rescue work that's on currently at the Scinthia station where this accident took place shortly after 2 o'clock this morning. But time for us to take a break, but more coming up when we return.